Hi, I'm Pete Richie. I work for Chief Agri, and I've worked here since 2001, and I am a CNC Specialist. I work with numerous CNC machines, lasers, punch presses, automated, non-automated, manual, and I really enjoy the challenge of learning how to operate them. As the tech gets more and more advanced, it's more and more challenging. It's advanced quite a bit. We started with plasmas, and now we're doing fiber lasers, which are so much faster, so much accurate, and the learning curve on them is immense. You have to learn more and more technology as it goes along, and it's just, the challenge is awesome. The fact that I get to learn new CNC machines at least every other year, because we're buying new equipment constantly and improving on the designs and everything, and then I get to teach the next generation how to use these new pieces of equipment and advance forward. People come in here and they don't know how to use this equipment, and I'm here to train them and get them up to speed and make them not afraid of the machine, and before they know it, they know how to run it just good as me, and they can take over the reins, and I can move to the next machine and train the next individual. Well, in the morning we would turn the machine on and let it warm up, and then we would start it up and reference it, and then we would load steel into the machine and then download the programs, and then we would start it, and the laser is so high tech now that it'll change the tip and everything and do it all for you. So it takes the manpower or the hands-on part of that out, and it will load the sheet, and the head will zero the sheet out, and then it will start the program. My supervisor, Nick, came to me and offered me the job of learning how to run the new 5030 fiber, and I accepted, and he sent me to Connecticut to learn how to operate it properly. And I went to Connecticut and learned how to operate it. I was there for a week, and we had hands-on training and classroom study, and then I came back, and then we knew how to operate the machine a whole lot better. And then when I got back to Chief Agri from Connecticut, we started getting to get the programmers up to speed and get all the programs properly into the computer, because we all had to learn the bugs and the ins and outs of what will work and what did work. And then it didn't take very long to get things figured out, and we learned that this machine was actually super fast, and it was definitely a good investment. Well, with this new 5030, the machines are super accurate, and the worry of them coming out wrong is really not there anymore. We still check our parts, and we make sure that they are accurate, because you got to remove the guesswork. But it is, the holes are super on with the fiber. It is a step of the innovation of this is just amazing. Well, when a sheet comes off, if it does not come out right, we will discard the parts, and we will restart them and do them again, fix the problem and make it happen. Luckily, with the new laser, this doesn't happen, but if it does happen, we will not send parts that are unacceptable up to 100% quality. We're all there for each other. Say perhaps I have a minute and there's another machine operator that needs my hand of helping loading or something to that degree, and we're there. And I've noticed on many occasions where they'd come and help me unload a table where I'd get backed up and I needed a little help, and they're right there without even being asked. Chief is definitely, we're all a team. There is no one person, or we all help each other out. Constantly being able to excel, and they keep advancing me forward with new machines and new opportunities to learn the new machines is, to me, that's the best. I love the opportunity to continue to grow in the company that I've been with for so long. I would say that Chief is definitely a great place to work, and if you want to excel with technology and roll with it and learn new stuff, I'd say Chief is definitely the place to work. Because ever since I've been here, the company has constantly been growing with equipment and opportunities.